Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Ampere. We are going to get this application. So let's wait right now. Click allow. Click open. Click yes, I agree. Tap close. And click OK in the left bottom corner. Right now, the temperature of your battery you can find in this place. When you slide on the right side, you can also find the same data, but in older theme. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.